So go so share Adom TV Badwam. Dear do sonny Adom TV Badwam kase e de bro. Dear to your omu biya obetini penny bi e ba asasimu nim dia wabene pass aban koswa na ye nia obetume sebe ya galamsey no ebetumi aba efomo na mpatade wo se de ma kokwa akuafo nso yemfama won mo. Endi si amanyo kuomra shebedwani wo sewibodi e wo Western North so se kokwa price na aban no hwe na onfa ne sefata kokwa akuafo no onfa ma won eno ni nsem na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo hwa me live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV channel 119 and DSTV so 280 wo YouTube wo search Adom TV tube obenya yen wo ho medidi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said ensem ni chiremu ankasa etie owura bi eba nsasimu a wabene mu nimde pa se aban ye ne obetumi bia sebe ya galamsey ehun nsemu a nti eha nananom akuafo titu kokoo num ne ade no ebetumi aba fom na afa nso mpatade a akuafo hia se wo so wo nsaka no so eni die mu hwe ne fama won oni Adom TV kase etwaso.
I don't think so because galamsey is spoiling everything. Galamsey, just look at our lands. Now, when you go to some of the villages, it's like because of money, now things are being like degrading the forest, cutting down trees. Cocoa, that is our backbone, is now going. If the cocoa board, the government will pay the farmers well, I think all these things will be done.
Ano si yepe and a director ya wada Africa Millennium Heritage Foundation ano editor aban enim se dia so ye hwehwa ne sa aban de hwehwa yepa ebeba enu boni eni pa binum faso di 12 magudi ma no kowra yensuo mu tio so da ne boni ma obinum ko ne yemu a ede yade ebre nipa no eto obetimi etwa.
You look at what is happening today in Galamsey. For instance, it's heartbreaking. I had the opportunity to visit Takrade and crossing the Pro River. Just cried. You know, of mercury and all that is really polluting. Our health system is not better. We need a better green future for our children. The specific steps we are hoping the government to take is to bring out policies that will actually help.
Municipal Director Washa Agric so Apadentra East Mensinumu e won fifi mantemu ye Ebenezer Basi Akwete or the atu akuafo nyina nim say planting for food and jobs phase 2 no obi anhwemfa no hunyuma oni Adom TV kase etwaso yi
farming no a business it's a whole year farming na mess but it's a friend is obi be baby aba be boa all the time this time no boa have buy the boa no input or subsidizing normal quality niama. What I say, until who the others obedo with now was as what with. I did all the Romunina say a grown up so dear input out the chief, the other boom, some more a draw the buso, Bibia, some irrigation, the Bemau services are free. Sunday morning na buy any brow as input. Now I call now as I was our friend with him. You better say. Ubu how to so nyam wana nkobe ya dwuma pa ani so yen ho so somewhere by the stress ben fu fa sa dwuma di ba yi no wo mu tintim no mu no na so na enyina na ban no de o ye so be na ni akoso no abo ye na yakuafo a kuadwuma nkabe ye mre afi so ke benya duan papa nso adi sa organic things ne ba e betimi abo ye.
Aswafo ya wo transport so de ato chief executives officers ahodwa da transport ministry no anase nyumaku ahodwa hyehyehye ase ni nyina se ni aban no aye wat na ye ho bia wo mo no wo mo ho dawuro onfamra monten se be ya ganafo behunu nyuma ahodwa aban no eye ewo yen cars anase en lorry mu ensem Adom TV kase edeba.
Not too long ago the ministry conducted a rapid evaluation of the coastal fish landing site. Surprisingly, despite the huge investment that is made, majority of the people interviewed within the beneficial were not even aware of the project. The truth is that at times, or perhaps we have not been able to tell our story well. Therefore, going forward, I urge all of you to put forward an aggressive communication to create awareness of the programs and projects of the sector. Must not be this as confidence in declaring, demonstrating the good work of the president.
Mfimfin mantam so afọ Justin Amarigold Asan enso echiremu a enimfo emomodian se wonum ebetu ani atofom no mu ahwe kwampa obefa so a hawa hodo a ekutia enwumaku ahodo a ehye asoye nase no wonum ebetumi esia no.
It is my prayer that the challenges confronting the sector would find lasting and sustainable solutions through the strategic review meeting. Let us all bring on board contributions from our various rich and diverse backgrounds so as to collectively put our shoulders to the wheel for optimum results. This review meeting is very crucial and important for the transport policy formulation and implementation. It is an opportunity for the stakeholders in the transport sector to take into account the success and shortfalls of policies and interventions, which will in turn inform future decisions for areas of improvement towards optimum success.
Ashia one share roads and highways so say you company phone shemu one more we efa katase share ho asotweana say twa de ato ministry no eso no one more we san shemu no mu a Adom TV etwaso
aso ye hwa kwan ne akwantempon so de nkrata beto abonte ya wo mo kyerese iyoko aye hwehwemu efa contragia wo de ma contractors e wa kwan ho awie a ode won krata nyina betudwa omanfo bekaye a asoye ne de nkrata koto iyoko anim Second Rector ya wada Ghana Institute of Management and Public Administration ano Professor Stephen Adey ensemu awoka sa de mujie bi koso ansana ye de ekwan contraja ma wobi wonhwehwemu ema wo mu ene wode nkrata betudwa wo kyere se iyoko ayen hwehwemu no awie na wo kyeremu a ensemu a Professor Stephen Adey ekan ye no ye ketache kankane proya osu se ekoso wo man Ghana mu ene wode asoye yidie ebefore mu bi senti iyoko ye hwehwemu no wie ye no wo kyere asem ne nyinyina so bia so manfo beka yi afempinu ne adunum yensa ehini mebosumi ne Professor Adey eye interview bia efaketa hyekanka ne proye ho ya wodi tu dwase enei wo my Ghana mu na ye contractor na benya ekwan ho contragia agese watu esika mu bi eno nanam so as ye hye akwan ne akwantempon so edikoto iyokofu anim se wonya hwehwemu ma wo mu a enei wode ho enkrata asem
Nansen obetia na kasapen ye no wa half mountain mu kunkum bi ekoso the ne assembly member won potamu ho se ene bambo mu ayire pa wo ho a bambofo abaye ho ma Abdul Razak Ahmed ene de sansemi etudwa wo kire se ni nyina eboa amasa difo won tete kuro no mu kum nipa no ne ade no abafom
Mprempram no kasa die after the press conference no there is a commander near Shia, Roger commander near him from opening the scene at Shia. I'm no Casasi, you know. I'm at the FP for no motorbikes 3, additional personals of 5. I be Kahua, I'm on a Moduma patrol, son of Parian review, I'm a patrol cronum. Now I think so. You say police for no domination from Gusian investigation getting the pa. I can't say Moduma and their sweating. And our police from Maban and Swab cronum Adom. Nipa anya toso gidi se bambo afa no toma pafra kronum adwa mai dia enim se nyame ne pa ipa bonfo di se adwuma no ame be yi ne so toma pa asa adwuma pa police for no edinti
and waiting as of penny oda apostolic asori nano ewa kasapen Pastor Moses Eduopon enso edeto enyumeku a ensha ban ase ene yankra wonsem wo bi ahodo won potem ho nyina anim se omra no mesi police atraye papa ema police fo ntumi enya dwuma se ne be ya wonum betumi etu bone ya ase
Ejumaku a ensha ban se a wodi the Compassion International so I see mechanized borehole at the Ama Methodist Basic School and a Christ Apostolic Church ye no wo hwediem e wa afomantam ne mu se nsuo ye mo a e wo pomodin mu ensema ya mane boni sami asare etwaso
ye health screening ema afibia na ebre atwa mu ne be hu se e screening results ni nyina e kire ye ade baako de e kire ye ni se ye hwehwemu ni wi a yare ya etadi kan skin conditions and afi gastrointestinal diseases eno no so ye hwehwe mu ne ehun se ye emunsuo na enti na akoba ne se e wo se yetu ho anamon nti compassion ni asɔre no ɛka yɛn ntoma bɔ mu ɛyɛ de friend of proposals ɛde kɔhwehwɛ sika kakra na ɛnam ɛno so ama ɛnɛ yɛtimi etu mechanized borehole no ɛna ɛnyɛ no nkwa yɛtu wie ne hu sɛ salt content no na ɛwɔ soro ɛno nti no yɛde treatment machine asi so
ɛno akyi ɛna asɔfopani a wɔda Christ Apostolic Church asafonano ɛwɔ hwidiem Reverend Seth Jedu ɛnso ɛde aseda PSA ɛma adwumakuo yi ɛwɔ adefɛfa a wabɛyɛ ɛde ama sukuo yi
afei yɛne suade hu baako bio ne sɛ yɛbɛtumi aboama project no ɛtumi aka na ɛnsɛ nti adeɛ baako a yɛbɛyɛ ne sɛ yɛbɛkɔ so ne committees a yɛ adwuma ne yɛde ahyɛ mo nsa abre ne abre no bia no ɛnsesɛ yɛde agu kwan mu no ɔmbɛhwɛ sɛ ɔmo de yɛ adwuma yɛbɛ engage school no na ne yɛde aba school yi mu ne nso no ɔmo nso abɔ mmɔden aboa yɛn ne yɛtumi ahwɛ so yie afei yɛbɛpɛ fotuo bi a ɛno nso yɛde bɛyɛ regular maintenance regular servicing of machines ni nsuo no said yɛbɛyɛ a the intended purpose say into the future adeɛ ne bɛtena hɔ akyɛ na aboa community
NDC Mrashebejani was a body Samson ahi ewo Western North mantam ni mu na ene wo se aban sesa wadwene na fa koko price na pa no fabra se be beboa koko akuafo oni Adom kase edi nkomwe
ana koko bo awo amasan dwaso no bag ba kun bia ye 81 million ense koko bag ye 81 million na aban ko jisika no fra gbochire ba na ochemu nan na o ma abako no abo tight office no family nsa Adom papa anya kro no what you say nti 81 million no anya kro no chemu mienu na ma kueni no fa na fa wo bota wote office no 81 million no wo se kueni wo man 20 million na fa 61 million aya sem papa anya kro no nti awo se na nado aban o just sisi no na ni mani ya no o san review kokobo no no do bi account
Ochiremu asenka NDC abana na wakunya so a ankonum ebeye de chense pa e de amakoko akuafo chen de aban wote sisi aye no enu wonum ba bio di a ene kokoko akuafo mwatede
bakum bia 81 million into one bag into one kasa utimu de kokoko no ko you kasa ko ton a e bo ya 81 million abanse utimu ko amko ton mra na me ba de menya ya che ko dis kan ba wache mu ennan wafa miensa mama keni ni bakon e ya kuro no and this can be 70% akaya ton less than
Adom TV Badwam kase na ocean na African Business Heroes on Tech Connect Africa one more share one aye one more adwuma ne one more eboa wonwuma mu hyehyɛ one more share dwendwen kwan a won befa so se be ya ye ho ye betumi aboa na tumi aboa ma ye sika samso akwa animu se ya nkwankra na so man Adom TV ko san hyemude na se etwa so
ABH dwumadie bi a ɛyɛ amansan friends amansan kubata ensha aban ase a ye Jack Ma ono na Alibaba ene dia ono na ode sa dwumadie ya ba Africa ye bibrem ha se emeboa ankrankra omo bie nnwuma ene ade ewa ha se de be odi ska be shem na omatimi dia tre omo nnwumam na afibia no oche sika a ye be $1.5 million e de man krankra omo bie nnwuma ewa Africa ha na enyuma ebeboa African puntio eno na focus no ewo so ankasa
that I feel like it's really inspiring to me and I believe say I am well qualified to apply, so as I leave this place I'm getting ready to apply for this particular one.
The Krakrano, Prince Akbata, ya wonu ye CEO, Emma Koliba Plastic Waste Management, and so the chart was say.
I'm a quite fast with the winning and say, yeah, first of all, the application echo inside for the first round. Second round, interviews, and some more interviews, several types of interviews, and a third round, almost a due diligence process. And audit firm to say PwC, eba factory, eba check Kenya, my head say, ye deep brano, na BBI and and that was the process of selection and so now you win competition, but call various African countries the final.
Maminyina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pay wadaro mamede asie medase emrani adaje a wode ehwe kase no Kwasoma fidie no enna ha na ye kwa abado bonkrata ne online stories. Na wotwe mu nso awie yensam esisi ye bie ne agya. Ya didi hu nkomo man ne kwabna santia ye crowd of trains sisi e sima mienu komiensa so ye beba ne atoaso. Yedase.